Roberts.
Roberts?
Let's see if we can find Roberts.
I want to go up there. It's just something drawing me up the stairs.
Did you hear me?
We did hear you.
Yes, we did hear something. Was that you? Were you upstairs?
Thank you for doing that, if that was you.
Yeah, we literally heard something before we walked out room 33. Let's go up. Honestly. What?
Something just moved in that room there.
Was it not me kicking that?
I mean, I don't know, was it? It sounded like it come from there. Maybe I'm wrong.
Because I did kick this here.
Maybe it was you.
Mate, give me a goddamn heart attack then.